Alex! What are we on?
We're going back to Africa!
Abu Antonius, we're coming! Wait! Hell! We got this, man. No, we're in the Puget Sound. Well, yeah, we kind of are. Yeah, yes. Ages Productions.
سمعون تخدم عليهم كريم بجزك أبرهلهم نتي أما صاحب سبولين حدش يدلهم علىك كرجعوا كسمعوا للزبغان من
So, Kibram, how does it feel to be part of the team? Huh?
That's how I feel.
You feel good? Daniele, wait, look good, man. I'm trying to find you a wife. Daniel Golden Timsaye.
I know, that's why I'm, shout out. Seattle 206.
Why are you trying to ruin everything, huh?
I'm trying to warn them.
Wait. Whoa.
Put that on YouTube. Put that on YouTube. I'm used to being on the big screen.
Yeah. Tell me more.
You got like... Stop.
His reaction is like...
Leave him alone, okay?
Look at this. Okay, take my phone. Ooh. What's up, Asmo? I'm trying to find your husband on YouTube. YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Come Ethiopia.
How Ethiopia? Good?
No,
I'm just saying that to the lady.
You want an Amiche?
What?
Is that Teddy Afro? Oh no, he's married. He's married. How are you doing?
I'm doing very good.
You like Seattle?
Very much so.
Tinish. Iwelano. Huh? Anyways, how'd you like Seattle?
Alpha. Yeah.
You loved
Seattle,
it?
Perfect.
Beautiful. You gonna come back?
Oh yeah, all the time.
You wanna live with me? Not so much? He doesn't want to live with me. Ooh. Oh, okay. Hey. He's recording you.
Yeah, what if it's for YouTube?
I don't have good footage. Someone needs to do something. Sneeze. Someone sneeze. Sneeze.
I'm kidding.
You're in church.
That's only
You know, right when you came, the battery started to die. Look at that. Yeah.
Wow.
That's tragic.
It's because
Just
no more
smile.
pictures. I'm done.
Just smile.
Stop.
Just smile.
It's just me to see. Every day.
You're looking fresh. You're looking organic. Oh wait, somebody needs to turn off the light. That's a beautiful church. That's my beautiful brother right there. Abuna Sameta.
Are you gonna take the whole thing to your house?
Hey, we need to get picture. This is once in a lifetime moment. Wait 1 second. Be careful.
Huh? No, Robin has it.
Camera. Look at this one. Stop one more time. Stop one more time.
You gotta put the camera on yourself, man.
Wait, I gotta get everyone on the vlog.
Stop. Leave it alone. Where's your wire? Why are you
I got you. Hey, say what's up to the YouTubers. You're YouTube famous.
I don't care.
You look like a model right now.
Give me
Still having? What's up with you guys? Hey, I made Badine famous. Wait.
How'd you make me famous?
I made you YouTube famous.
How many views did that video get?
Like 4,000.
He's lying. He's lying.
It did get 4,000. You guys are tripping. I'm gonna be famous.
Hey, get it out of my face.
Hold on. You guys are tripping. What's up? Good? And everyone. Everyone's shy. I'm trying to find you guys husbands on YouTube.
_D.
Yeah. What?
My day back after like 2 months.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be YouTube sensation.
Not again. Not again.
YouTube sensation. YouTube
You
sensation.
guys are feeling it. You know what? On a boat. Just chilling, man. Enjoying life. People need to start enjoying life, especially Habeshas. We're always scared about everything. We need to start doing more fun things. You know? There back there is where everyone's chilling. Bro, this is crazy. Hi, white people! Oh my god. Oh, now the waves are getting a little more choppy. So we're chilling here with Duck and Alex. Alex.
We're on a boat! We're on a boat!
Look at this, it's crazy.